All right. There we go. I got the audio fixed. Hey, you can tell this is live because of all the bloopers, right? In case you are wondering, I am Frank Lavinia. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Frank Diggs Data. That's me. I am Frank Lavinia. I am reachable at franksworld.com, datadriven.tv, and of course the podcast Impact Quantum. And it's just that quantum that I want to talk about today because today is a special day. Do you know why? Do you know why? Azure Quantum is now in public preview. That's right. That's right. Um, and of course, my website is slow to respond. So basically, now anyone can sign up and get access to Azure Quantum. You don't need a blessing from the account from the product group or whatever or but it is now available for everyone publicly as a preview. And no, I haven't set that up because I'm having so many demo gremlins today. It's not even funny. I just got off the phone of a presentation, so I'm thankful that went pretty well. But so I mean, it's here, man. It's on. I mean, Microsoft was the only one that didn't have kind of a publicly accessible type of solution yet, but now it's here. I mean, hey Frank, all I see is a LinkedIn user. I suspect I know who you are, but let me see if I can get LinkedIn to tell me who you are. Oops. That's not the tab I wanted. Oh, it's just bloopers galore today. Oh, let me turn on my magic cloud. There we go. The power of the cloud, infinitely scalable. All right. You can tell, like I said, this is totally live because I'm having so many bloopers, but at least the customer presentation went well. I'm also short a cup of coffee. You know what I really need? I really need a coffee machine down here in my office because that would be awesome. So, hey, LinkedIn user, I'm trying to figure out who you are so I can thank you by name, but it's the demo things are not going my way, but I am super excited. I am super excited about LinkedIn. Can't think, man. I'm sorry. Let's start over. All right, so we are live here, and we are. Microsoft announced this morning that the future of quantum computing has arrived. Let me click on the link, and I can kind of talk through it. Krista Svor, who is an excellent presenter, and if you're watching Krista, you would always welcome on the Data Driven and/or Impact Quantum podcast. But basically, Azure Quantum is the world's first full-stack public cloud ecosystem for quantum solutions. So this is amazing. You can the QDK. I played around with that. I mean, this is impressive. So you can work with solutions from Honeywell, IonQ, Toshiba, 1QBit, QEI. I mean, it's here. I mean, there's just oh, check this out. 8 a.m. Quantum Developer Workshop at 8 a.m. PST, which I missed today because of this pesky thing called work. It's Mina. Mina, how's it going, man? Awesome. This quantum thing is about to explode. I tell you. One of these days, we'll all look back at the time when we used electrons instead of quantum particles. So this is great. There's just so much good stuff coming in terms of this. I'm so excited. I am super excited, as we say at Microsoft, to talk about this. If you'll notice, there's definitely been an uptick in kind of content on franksworld.com focused on quantum computing. It's definitely something I've been, as you know, if you watch me long enough, I've been fascinated with this for a while. Yeah, there's definitely, was a great talk. This is the one that kind of, helped me get through some of the scary math. It actually wasn't as bad. The way he describes it is very well, and I definitely need to have him on as a guest on the show. The other thing is, I forgot it's Tuesday. You know what that means? You know what Tuesday means? Tuesday means High Impact Tuesday. And let me show the world my wonderful motion graphic skills. All right, so there's clearly a bug, but I did manage to get myself around it. And so how crazy is today that I didn't even put in the fancy like High Impact Tuesdays. So graphic, but let me tell you, quantum computing is going to have a major impact on all of us, society, the world, to at least a degree that the computer did and the internet did on us to this point already. It is here. It is coming. Azure has it. IBM has it. Google has it. Amazon has their bracket service. I mean, it's here. And there's a number of videos here that show you what to study for quantum computing. And it's going to transform a lot of things, including medical research, logistics, supply chain, et cetera, et cetera. Another thing I'm particularly fascinated by, let me go back to here. How's everybody's Tuesday going? Right? You gotta have, Tuesday is the day where you make the difference in the week. You know what I mean? This is the other thing I want to talk about. My co-host and cohort, Andy Leonard, is starting to do a daily live stream where he talks about stories around data for about a minute. Great idea, great format. I think it's it's a short way to ingest this stuff. Who knows? Maybe this will be part of our secret project we keep talking about. But really good idea. I think this is his second or third one he's done. Speaking of impact, I would say that the robot dog that from Boston Robotics that now has an arm, and it looks something creepy out of science fiction. So check this out. Let's see if I can play that. So it looks like a cross between an alien and a giraffe dog kind of mix. But look at that. Look how practical that is. And it's interesting they show it in the home. I think we're in for a major kind of disruption over the next 10 years in terms of technology and its impact on society. So those are the things that are impacting here at Frank's World. One of the things I'd like to say is I did close out in terms of being able to produce content. 144 posts strong, 144 posts of value, had a record-breaking statistics page views on franksworld.com. Thank you everyone who watches. If you don't know about Frank's World of Data Science, definitely check it out at franksworld.com. And yeah, man, I'm excited. I also got a message from Restream today saying that I was one of the top Restreamers on 90th percentile, which is pretty good because last month I think I was 34th. Just trying to add more value, trying to help people. Andy and I are doing a lot more live streams, and yeah, we're perfecting the technology. Although I will say, with as much as I love the web studio, the live studio that Restream provides, I'm gonna have to go back and just stretch the knuckles and get back into doing OBS, because OBS I wouldn't have to worry about some of the bugs. Well, I'd have other bugs to worry about, to be fair. So with that, I want to say you have a great Tuesday. I hope you're staying safe. It just finally stopped snowing here in DC today, so who knows what's going on with the weather. So with that, I will say thank you, and it's time for me to get some dinner. You have a great Tuesday, and weather permitting, schedule permitting, I'll see you here tomorrow. Let me know in the comments if there's a particular topic you want me to discuss. Tomorrow, I'll probably do a book review. Have a great night.